everyone! Today I'm going to show you a Kiwi Crate unboxing. This is my daughter's subscription. So this is a My Body and Me. It's for ages 5+. Discover and explore your amazing anatomy. I just love these crates. They're so fun. And they're so well done too. So here are the instructions. Oh, so cute! They make little organs. Oh, she's going to like this a lot. So the first project is building a stethoscope. And the directions are always so easy. They just are one step in a picture. It's just so nice. And they have extra activities to do for the thing you just made. Make plush organs, a brain, a heart, and a stomach all sewn up. This will be good fine motor practice as well. Cute. And then create x-rays. And I think more things to try with that. So cute. And they have a sticker, a progress chart with a sticker on. I'm not sure where that is, so I can't show it to you today. Every Kiwi Crate comes with a magazine that has a little story that goes along with what you are doing in the crate. And then they have more experiments in here you can do, but they don't have the things included. Bone breadsticks. This is so cute. She will love this so much. So here's the stuffing. Eyes and Velcro dots. Yarn. Connector things. Tubing. I love that everything's included in Kiwi Crates. For the main projects anyway. We've never had a piece missing. Erase pen. Oh, cute! They have doctor's notes. The dry erase surface, you can use a pen and make notes. Oh, on the back. Checkup form. So cute. Oh, bone sticker. It's really rough on this side and smooth on this side. Oh, it must be for the x-ray maybe. And here is the body chart, full size. Hopefully you can kind of see it through the camera, or phone in this case. Only have the different body systems on the sides of the poster. And this side is just blank. Yeah, so that's the human anatomy one. I have a link in the description below if you want to try these. These are so fun and kids love getting meal. My mom gets this for my daughter for Christmas every year and her birthday, 6 months at a time. It works out great. So try these are so fun. You'll love them. Please like and subscribe.